Hey, I'm Heather. Do you love yarn? Love creativity? You belong here at Strings and Threads, your go-to spot for crochet, knitting, and a fun, interactive community. Let's create together. Subscribe now and join the fun. Hi, welcome to Battle of the Stitches. This is the first week of October 2025, and this is the week that we introduce the stitch. Teresa from Critters Crochet and I are hosting this Battle of the Stitches every month. We're working through a book called 200 Crochet Stitches by Tracey Todhunter. You can get this on Amazon if you wanted your own copy. It is a great book. Aside from Battle of the Stitches, there are a lot of stitches in there that you can play around with and create your own designs for. This month we are doing, oops, I'm on the wrong page. We are doing our choice because there are two that are very similar. So we're going to have our choice of either the alternating eyelet 1 or alternating eyelet 2. And I put up a tutorial for it. I will link that at the end of this video so that if you wanted to click on it and learn how to do the stitch, you can. So if you're curious what Battle of the Stitches is, Teresa from Critters Crochet and I decided to do this well over a year ago. We wanted to challenge our designing skills, but also have some kind of fun way where we can have other people involved. So each month we invite up to 2 other channels to compete with us. I put it in quotes because the competing isn't really like anything where we're all going to get mad at each other if we don't win. It's just a friendly competition to see who can take the stitch. I had to add this in because I'm out of practice. I forgot to mention who is joining us for October. And we have Camille from Camille's Creations, and we also have Paige from Paige Loves Pumpkins. They're both in my description, so go check them out, see their videos and their tutorials. And I am so happy that they are joining us this month. Competition to see who can take the stitch and create their own design with it and see which design our watchers prefer, which ones they like the best. And so the first week we introduce the stitch and we do a tutorial for it. The second week we give a sneak peek of what we made using that stitch. You guys can guess. It's just kind of a fun thing to do to keep you in suspense for another week. The following week we reveal what we've made. Then we put up voting polls. This is where you get to go and vote for the project that you like the best. The voting poll will be on my channel, but the other channels will also share it. And then the following week we do a live and we reveal who got the most votes. And for everybody who voted in the voting poll and then commented, if you just vote, we only see numbers, so we don't know who did the voting. But if you comment under the voting poll, we enter you into a drawing for a giveaway, and you can win one of the projects. So the project of your choice, you can pick which one you want. So that last week we do the live, and then from there we announce who got the most votes, and we pick who wins the giveaway. It's a really fun event. We would love for you to join us. If you have a channel and you think this would be something fun you'd like to do with us, get in touch with either me or Teresa. We have a couple months that are full, like January of 2026, we already have 2 people for, but I think every other month we have at least 1 opening. So let us know. It doesn't have to be right away. I know the holidays can be busy, but if you were interested in doing it either for November or December, you could always start working on it now and either pre-record or just have everything in your mind for what you want to do for those months so you don't have to stress out about it. Thanks for watching today, and I hope to see you all the other weeks and to see you participating with us. Have a great day. Bye.